I'm back with the vowels. Remember, vowels make two sounds. A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. They make two sounds. A makes A and A. E makes E and E. I makes I and I. O makes O and A. U makes U and A. So we have to figure out the missing middle sound, and the missing middle sound will be one of these vowels. So this is a pin. Let's break it down. P, N. What is the missing middle sound? You stretch your arm out and break it down. P, I, N. Pin. The missing middle sound is I. I makes I. P, I, N. Pin. All right. Let's try another. All right, we have 10. I'm going to just point and I want you to break it down. Here we go. T, E, N. 10. T, E. E. E makes E. T, E, N. 10. Okay. Let's try another. My printer is running out of ink, so some of the pictures didn't print so well, so bear with me. Here we go. This is a log. L, A, G. A. The missing sound is A. O makes A. L, A, G. Log. Moving along. There we go. Cut. K, A, T. K, A. A. U makes A. K, A, T. Cut. And the last one is ham. So we're going to pretend it's green ham, like green eggs and ham, because the ham is green. Because my printer's running out of ink. I have to order some more. So here's ham. What's that missing sound? H, A. A makes A. H, A, ham. Okay, so we figured out the missing sounds, the middle sounds, and we use the vowels A, E, I, O, U.